Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Serena, for those of you that are new here. Today I am doing a lip gloss review slash PR package opening slash first impressions. So I actually, I'm so proud, I could cry. I got my first PR package, yay! So I got it from Kokie Cosmetics, and they are based out of Beltsville, Maryland, and it's actually maybe like an hour from me, so it's pretty cool that a brand that's local kind of found me, and here we are to review their products. So I actually opened the package when I first got it, so I was like, I don't really remember ordering anything, and I was like, oh yeah, PR. So they sent me a ton of lip gloss colors. Y'all know how much I love lip gloss. So I was extra hyped to see that it was just a straight lip gloss and not like liquid lipsticks or lipstick, because you know, I feel like those don't last as long. I need to eat and be able to drink and still have my lip gloss on. So they sent me this cute little card and their little logo, it's an elephant. So it says, hey Serena, welcome to Kokie, welcome to Kokie's PR list. Here are some products that we'd love for you to try out. Love the Kokie team. And so it says, hashtag follow the elephant. So all of the lip glosses they gave me, I'm gonna see if I can try to lift them up. Oh, some are falling. Okay, so it's and of course some of these are repeats. I think they sent me 2 of each, maybe 2 or 3 of each. So here are all the lip glosses I got. So all of these shades, and so we are going to swatch them first, and then I'm going to apply them to my lips, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. So let's try it out. So a little background on the company. So Kokie Cosmetics, like I said, they're based out of Beltsville, Maryland. And if you're familiar with the DMV area, then you know where Beltsville is. It's like right off of the last stop on the Green Line out in Greenbelt. So y'all know where all that good stuff is. So this is the lip veneer lip gloss, and it's actually called cream gloss. So they have liquid lipsticks, but again, this is just the cream gloss. Sorry, I'm trying to find the price of it. So the price for the lip veneer, I want to say it is $6. I may have lied. That's all nail polish. They have nice nail polish. They do, oh, that's nice, compact cushion foundation. They do makeup bags. Hold on, give me a second, y'all. Where did it go? Shop. Can I search by? Oh, let me just type it in. Duh. Lip veneer. Okay, so the lip veneer cream gloss is $6, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. A few of them are repeats, but I have about 17 glosses. And you know, I have a few nude shades. Are these the 2? This one's a little bit darker. So a few nude shades. Then I have some shades of pink. My dog. Shades of pink. And then I have my reds. And then I have a darker brown. So I'm going to swatch them like I just said, so my pinks, nudes, and reds, and then I'm going to try them on. Okay, so out of the 17 shades that Kokie Cosmetics sent me, I'm going to pick my top 4, and I'm going to try to switch it up and kind of pick colors that I usually wouldn't, because you guys know my safe shades is a nice nude lip gloss that I can just throw on, but I'm gonna try to push myself out of my comfort zone and find something that the people want to see. So Just off rip. Ooh, maybe I can mix and match. So let me make an ombre look. Let me see. So I know I want to take Mocha Madness because that screams my name. And in the middle of Mocha Madness, maybe I can put a little dab of Legend. You know, those seems like they go together. A little Legend Mocha Madness. I like that. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, let's pair another one. Let's take Mistress. And let's make a little ombre with Mistress. And ooh, those two can actually go together. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So a fired up Mistress. So these two. And let's do another combo. One more. So let's take, ooh, do I want to do this? Because I have pinks and nudes left. Let's see. Is this too pink? That one's too close. Okay.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is Thrilling and Unspoken. So I think these two would look good together too. So, ooh, my arm's itchy. Okay, so let's take our reds first. And this is, like I said, the Fired Up Mistress. So I'm going to take Fired Up and put that on my lips first. And then in the middle, I'm going to put Mistress. That is correct. Yes, Mistress. Ooh. And what I like is these colors, they don't look, in the bottle it looks much darker, but once you take it out, you can actually see the, you know, like the full color. So the bottle is a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Misleading, but that's with a lot of products, so. Yeah, because I definitely thought this was going to be a lot darker, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so I kind of like this by itself, and I usually don't like red lipstick, so this is a huge, and like, I really like that. Yeah, red lipsticks I'm kind of like, but this one's darker, so it's not like bright coral fiery red like Mistress is. So with Mistress, I would definitely have to pair this with something, but I could definitely do Fired Up by itself because this is more of a brick red as opposed to a super fire red. So I'm still going to take Mistress and put that in the middle of Fire. Ooh, yeah, that's the kind of red I thought I was gonna get. Yeah, this is a super, oh my god, this is like sexy red. Yeah, now I see this why this is called Mistress. Okay. Okay. And when mixing them together, it's not sliding around, they're staying in place. So I really like that too. Ooh. This is like I wish I had this for like Valentine's Day. This is a cute combo. Okay. This may have really changed my mind on red lipstick. Like this, wow. Wow. Oh. I never thought I would say that. Like that's a really big accomplishment. Like, whoo. And it comes off so easy. My lips are not stained, which is very important when taking off red lipstick or red lip gloss, any kind of gloss or anything with red in it. I feel like red usually stains me, but that was very easy to come off, so love it. Next combo. So let's move to our nudes. This combo is Mocha Madness and Legend. So I'm gonna take Mocha Madness first, and I can already tell this is gonna be my favorite color out of all of these. I can already tell. Yep, Love it already. This is such a good, like, black girl friendly nude. Oh my god, I love this color. Oh my god. I like just want to leave it by its, like, just by itself. Don't even add like a shade in the middle. I really like this nude. It's so creamy. I see why it's called cream gloss. I really like that. Okay, so let me go ahead just for video's sake and add Legend in the middle. And Legend looks to be a little, not really pink, but kind of like a taupe. I don't want to say mauve. So on the border of a darker pink slash mauve, like you're moving into the browns, but you're not quite there yet. You're progressing towards the brown, but you're still in the pink playing field, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and put that in the center. Yeah, this is my new lip combo. Look at that. Wow. I really like that. I think if I really wanted to make it pop, a brown liner would have really set it off. But even without it, I think it still looks good. But that liner really would have snatched it together. Like, obviously it's called cream gloss for a reason. This is like so creamy, but it's not super thick and it's not sticky, which is so important with lip gloss. I feel like I'm progressing towards becoming a lip gloss expert, and you need to find that fine line between sticky lip gloss and lip gloss that is too runny, because you don't want to put it on and feel like it's not doing anything and you have to keep reapplying it and reapplying it. Then at that point you're just wasting product. As opposed to this one where I've just added 3 different lip colors and it's glossy, it's not sticky, and it still looks good. And even with one, I didn't have to apply multiple coats of it. It was good the first swatch. It was good. Oh my god, I really like this. I don't want to take this. I should have did this one last. Okay, we still have one more set though. Almost done, almost done. Last but not least, make sure I got everything. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to take Unspoken and Thrilling. So Unspoken looks like Mocha Madness's little sister. Like, she wants to be her. And I always look up to your big sister. I'm an only child, so I mean, I guess I would like look up to cousins or something, but am I the oldest cousin? I'm not the oldest girl cousin. But like, anyways, so if you had a sister or like a sibling, you always want to look up to them. So this is Mocha and Unspoken. So Unspoken, yeah, so Unspoken is definitely a little bit pinkier than my friend Mocha Madness, but I ain't mad at it. It's more mauve, that's what it is now that I'm seeing. And apply, oh no, I forgot, was it Bashful? Oh, I lost my train of thought. Which one was I putting in the middle? Oh no. So this is Unspoken. Was it Pillow Talk? Oh, I've lost my mind. No, it wasn't Heart Delights. Let's do Bashful. I don't think that was my original shade, but we're just gonna do it since I forgot which one was supposed to go there. There you go. For some reason that one won't blend in. Blend in, I just used my finger and kind of lightly dabbed all over my lips until it blends in. And I also noticed that I have lip gloss on my shirt. And I even contemplated, I was like, should I wear a white shirt? But I just really like that it said girls run things, because we do. And look what it got me. it's okay. I'll just always wear a jacket or something over it. Or if you know how to get lip gloss out of t-shirts, let me know. I really like this shade though. Back to the video. So these two that I used to create this look, again, this was Bashful and Unspoken. Yes, Bashful and Unspoken. And my second look was Mocha Madness and Pillow Talk, I believe. Now I'm losing. Okay. And then my last look, or my first look, excuse me, was Legend and Invincible. So again, they did send me 17 different shades. My lips could not stand all of those. They barely stood these 3 looks that we just did. But again, Kokie Cosmetics, so they are based in the DMV area. And these lip glosses are $6 each, and they are a clean cream gloss. So it's not super liquidy gloss, and it's not like a liquid lipstick. It's that nice in between. And from what I can tell, I've been drinking coffee. I've kind of drank water in between filming, and it's stayed in place. So this gets my approval. I would definitely purchase from them. And then on their website, they also have other things as well. So I've seen like cushion foundation. There was highlighters that I was looking at, and little makeup bags. So I mean, it's a legit company, and they're affordable, and everybody just likes to, you know, spend money within reason. You have a budget. No need for you to spend, you know, $25 on lip gloss when you can get $6 lip gloss that's probably just as well or better. There you go. So again, this is my review of my first PR package and the Kokie Cosmetics Cream Gloss Lip Glosses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.